At around 10:45, we found a double bottom reversal on TQQQ. So kind of we saw that TQQ is finding this double bottom. I went long, added more at 21.15, and I got most of my position at 21. All right, good morning, everybody. Do another recap. I had a really awesome day. I just wanted to do a quick recap on that. So in the morning, I actually, started late. So there was some volatility right in the first 5-6 minutes, but I kind of started my day around 9:45 a.m. Eastern time, and then really didn't catch anything until at around 10:45, we found a double bottom reversal on TQQ. So kind of we saw that TQQ is finding this double bottom. I went long, added more at 21.15, and I got most of my position at 21.50 at the VWAP. So that was a really nice trade, and eventually turned out to be $5,700 day for me. I had one a small loss on Tesla, and I had one quick scalp on its QQQ market, gap down and traded much significantly lower for the day. So Tesla, as you know, there's a lot of crazy things is happening with Tesla. Elon Musk offered to buy Twitter, and then he backed out. And then yesterday the news came in that he's going to actually buy the Twitter. So that impacted Tesla because he probably needs to get a loan over Tesla shares or sell some Tesla because he already sold like $10 billion worth of Tesla to finance the deal. So it had a really bad day, Tesla, yesterday, and today continued going down. I tried to catch this reversal on it as a double bottom reversal. It was kind of too early for it. I knew it's going to be too early to catch this at around 9:55. Usually the good reversals happen later during the day. I went long, added more, and I got stopped out, so around here. So that was my one trade that it didn't work on Tesla, so that was $1,000 loss or something. And then, as I mentioned, market was really setting off, really choppy, and this sold off at 10 a.m. I tried to catch a short on it with going long as QQQ. So after this pop at 10 a.m., the service, spending index came in. That means that spending on services is still good. That's bad news for the market. It did pop up. It sold some at $700, and after that it came down. And my entry wasn't really great. The better entry for me would have been in this situation after this bullish move with volume. You want to get something around here, around 54 would have been a much better entry. But I kind of chased it. That's why I got out. But you did a really nice consolidation and eventually continued going higher. So anyways, I missed most of the move on that. So that's I think the best trade for me was Tesla, TQQ reversal, all the way to VWAP, and see how it goes for the market. SPY, try to go above the VWAP. Now, I think we're kind of near the bottom, but the market might be choppy for another 6 months or so. I mean, the market doesn't have to always go up or go down. It might be volatile, choppy until I think for bottoming, real bottom, we need good news. The good news could be end of the war in Ukraine, controlling inflation, something like that. We really don't have that good news yet for the market, so there is no really reason for it to go much higher because there's no growth outlook. So one big announcement that I have here, guys, we're gonna have a live trading workshop in Florida next month, and in this one we're gonna have let's see, actually bring it here. So we're gonna have live trading plus half a day of presentation. So it will be our it's gonna be our meetup. So I'm gonna bring it here. So live trading workshop, so half a day live trading in one room with me and Thor and Peter and a couple of other moderators. Jared is coming. And then after that, we're going to have a full presentation with, in the afternoon. Of course, lunch with everyone having lunch together. After that, it's going to be social. So if people are interested, and it's in Fort Lauderdale, investing, and hoping to see at least, that would be nice if you can get at least 20 to 30 people who come. That would be really nice. So if you are interested to have one day, live trading with us, you can ask questions. That's as close as possible you can get to our community moderators. So hope that you guys consider joining us. I really appreciate if you support by coming, because that's very important for me to really see if we can actually have this model growing and expanding. Perfect. So John, thank you so much for staying here. Do you have anything to talk and discuss?
No, just that I took Rivian early this morning, like a real impetuous trade. Too early, not a very good signal, and I got out of it pretty quick, luckily, with just a small loss. But I'm in MU now at 53.05 and got into that trade around 11 o'clock in the morning here Eastern. And I'm trying to get up to right around 53.90 or higher. If the market will bust out over its, if the SPY will bust over its, what is that, the pre-market low, then I think we might have something going, but we'll see how it shakes out.
Yeah, perfect. Well, thank you so much, guys. So the hotel for that room, the vesting, I think we have a special rate of $160, $150 per night, which is really nice for vesting. If you guys want, we add the information for the hotel as well for $150 a night at vesting, which I think is really good. Tesla, I think, is kind of bottomed on at 234. I think when you go into the weekly chart, 234 is an area that, you know, you had this weekly support the week around here, so it seems that it's holding. If it breaks down, 230 would be another level, and then later we can have definitely around 216. Elon Musk is definitely has shown that he's not really predictable to what he does. So I'm still a little bit on TQQ. Let's see if TQQ actually can go a little bit higher. So it looks like a false breakdown. So it might actually continue going higher. SPY, what we are seeing on a SPY is SPY is getting the VWAP. Yeah, SPY is trying to go above the VWAP, and if a SPY can continue going higher, then we're going to be in a trending up day. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. John, thank you so much, and all the best, guys. Looking forward to see you tonight. We have the presentation for psychology. Who is the psychology person for the webinar? Today is Dr. Reed. Oh, Dr. Reed is having a psychology in bear market. So for those of you who are interested, guys, have a good day and see you all tonight in the webinar. Thanks, John.
Thanks, Andrew.